Hello and welcome to this video about the image example. I've copied the workspace and let's start right away. So click play and see what we've got here. We open the model. Oh, let's stop here. I don't need the webcam stuff. So let's start and go back. Let's look at the view. It should start in a few seconds. And we have, here would be the webcam image, and here we have some squares that are popping up, an FPS counter. Here we see in the scope the calculated FPS. So now let's see how this is done. Here we measure our delay, we calculate the frames per second, we create a string out of it, then we combine the string that we write here. So here are the rectangles made. Here's a copy. Let's remove this copy to see what's the difference. So start, stop. You see here that's not clear, so yeah, that's the difference. Let's go back here and start once again. So here are the rectangles made. This delay block stores the last image, and here is another rectangle added. So let's look at the subsystem. The input is the output. We take a region of interest out of this image, set the size of this region by random parameters, set the position by random parameters. I zoom in a bit. You see how this is done. Set size, the input image width, multiplied by the random number divided by 2, and so on. The same here. And then this region of interest is filled by this color, also by random parameters. So let's do some stuff here. Just alter the example to see what you can do too. We add a border, color it black, and size 5. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, we got an error. Yeah, I see. Yeah. The problem here is that ABMT can't figure out, decal type here, can't figure out the output. So here we have an output type. We have to define an output type because it can't be determined. So we remove the output, then this will be fine. So let's go. Okay. Now. Am I a bit mixed up? Oh no, here. Stupid mistake. So now we have black. Have a black border. Now let's write the text to it. No, here. Text 5.5. So that it's a bit behind. Oh, we need the size, right? No, let's try it like this, and then we look into the documentation. I'm not. Yes. Okay. So let's look a bit into the documentation first. So here we see what we have here. So what this image class is about. Here at the bottom we have the region of interest we are using. Yeah. So do we want to change a bit more? No. Let's talk a bit about the image class, and what you can do with it. So back to the documentation. We have an image class, an image pixel class, which is derived from this image. We also have a JPEG class and an NLY YUYV class, and this region of interest. Line 2D I'm talking about a bit later. So, or in another video. This iterator also not important. So this image class is basically a container for the data blob with a type, a height, and a width. And you can copy and cast these images around like you want to. It's basically a container that ABMT understands so that you can view it in a view. You can also add, use OpenCV or other libraries, and then you have to convert the classes into this image blob, for example. When you look at the bus example, my very first video, there I use OpenCV. Maybe I make another video about how to use OpenCV or dlib or some other image manipulation class. So this is just a container that enables ABMT to read this image and to show it on a view. And you can also write some text in it, or take out a region, fill it, make a border, or draw a line, or draw a circle. There are lots of utility functions here, but mostly to make simple changes. When you want to do really image generation or manipulation or find something, or then you should use another library and create your own nodes. As I said, for OpenCV, there's a small example with this autonomous bus I've created. So that's, I would say, basically the things we see here. So thank you for watching, and bye-bye.